Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you follow me on Instagram, then you might know that few days ago I received a package from Picture Polish. I participated in their picture curable giveaway and they chose me as a winner of their giveaway. That's why they sent me this set of gifties. This set includes one UV lamp, which is known as a PC spaceship, and 3 curable nail polish, include one glossy top coat. As you can see in the video, this lamp has 4 sets of curing time including low heat mode. Wow, that's amazing. They told me to choose 3 picture curable. That's why I choose PC Holo, Ravine and one glossy top coat, and I am going to do a simple nail art using these polishes. So I am starting with my dehydrated nails to make my nail polish long lasting. As I always say, apply nail polish in tiny amount in every coat and you have to follow the same rule in here also. As you can see, I have applied my first coat of Ravine and it's not that pigmented at all. That's why I have to use 4 thin coats of these polishes. At first I have applied 1 coat of nail polishes and cured them under lamp for 120 seconds, and I have repeated the same process for the 4 times. You can see that this gel polish is not sticky at all, and I don't know how, but many of my footages are missing. That's why I can't show you how many coats I have applied. After done with apply and curing, I have stamped a diamond on my middle fingernail and applied PC Holo on the diamond, and then I have cured it again, and now applying top coat. I will add rhinestones on my index and I will cure it again. Now let me tell you that what I did on my ring and pinky nail, which I can't show you because some footages are missing. On ring fingernail, I apply 3 coats of Ravine and 1 coat of Holo, and on pinky, I add 4 coats of Holo, and here is the final look. So, Picture Polish claimed that Picture Curable is easy to use and easy to remove. Well, it's actually easy to use, but is it easy to remove? You will get the answer on my next video. Till then, stay safe.